In the current landscape of high-performance computing, the difference between a capable gaming desktop and a truly elite system is defined by balance, thermal stability, and long-term usability. The Mantis V2 gaming desktop PC was designed with this exact principle in mind. Rather than chasing specifications for marketing appeal alone, this system brings together carefully selected components to deliver sustained, real-world performance for gamers, creators, and advanced users. At the heart of the Mantis V2 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, a graphics card positioned at the top tier of modern consumer GPUs. Its strength is not limited to raw frame rates. The RTX 5090 excels in workloads that rely on GPU acceleration, including ray tracing, AI-assisted rendering, advanced simulations, and high-resolution gaming. For users who play at 4K, use multiple monitors, or work with demanding creative software, this level of GPU capability directly translates into smoother experiences and reduced waiting times. The graphics performance is supported by the Intel Ultra 7 265KF, a processor built to handle both high clock speeds and multi-threaded workloads efficiently. This CPU ensures that the system remains responsive under pressure, whether you are gaming while streaming, rendering video in the background, or multitasking across several demanding applications. A powerful GPU alone is not enough. The Ultra 7 265KF helps prevent performance bottlenecks that often appear in unbalanced systems. One of the most defining advantages of the Mantis V2 is its memory configuration. With 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, the system provides substantial headroom for modern software requirements. This is especially valuable for creators, professionals, and power users who work with large files, virtual machines, or memory-intensive applications. Even for gaming, this amount of RAM contributes to system stability and future readiness as software continues to evolve. Storage performance is equally important, and the inclusion of a 2TB NVMe Gen5 SSD places the Mantis V2 firmly in the premium category. Fast storage affects nearly every aspect of daily use, from boot times to application launches and file transfers. The Gen 5 interface ensures that large game libraries and professional projects load quickly, reducing friction and improving workflow efficiency. High-performance components demand effective thermal management, and this is where the Mantis V2's water cooling solution plays a critical role. Efficient liquid cooling helps maintain consistent operating temperatures during extended sessions, reducing thermal throttling and protecting component longevity. This is not only about peak performance, but about maintaining that performance over time, especially during long gaming sessions or intensive work periods. Beyond raw hardware, the Mantis V2 is equipped for modern connectivity and usability. Windows 11 Pro provides enhanced system management, security features, and improved scheduling for multi-core processors. Internal Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, and RJ45 Ethernet offer flexible and fast networking options, while multiple DisplayPort and HDMI outputs support advanced multi-monitor configurations. These features make the system adaptable to a wide range of setups without requiring immediate upgrades. The inclusion of an RGB gamer keyboard and mouse allows users to get started immediately, while the 3-year warranty adds an important layer of confidence. For a high-end desktop, long-term support is not a minor detail. It reflects the manufacturer's commitment to reliability and customer trust. It is important to understand that the Mantis V2 is not positioned as an entry-level gaming PC. This system is intended for users who value performance consistency, hardware balance, and long-term relevance. Gamers who want smooth performance at high settings, creators who rely on rendering speed, and professionals who cannot afford system instability will benefit most from what this desktop offers. In an environment where marketing claims often exaggerate real-world results, the Mantis V2 stands out by focusing on practical performance. It does not promise unrealistic outcomes. Instead, it delivers a configuration designed to handle demanding tasks with confidence and efficiency. This makes it a strategic investment rather than a short-term upgrade. If you are considering a high-end gaming and productivity desktop that prioritizes performance, cooling, and future readiness, the Mantis V2 deserves serious consideration. View the Mantis V2 gaming desktop PC on Amazon. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.